Now, do while loops and for loops, and while loops are actually the only way we can do loops in C, basically cause code to repeat over and over and over again. Right? We can actually use what we call a go-to statement. Right? It literally, well, tells the computer to go to a certain line, right? Or a certain section of the code and just continue from there. Right? So how that would work is we basically put down a label, right? And then we call the go-to statement on the label. Right? Now, if we have, a printf statement asking the user, are you the hero? Right? We can do a scanf, right? Let's say we're going to accept the answer as a character. So there will be percent %C, right? Let's call it choice. Choice, you can say choice. Right? So we need a character variable for that to actually store the answer. Right? So we are asking the user to put some input and we're scanning it in so far. Right? What we can actually do is we can put a label, right? Let's say we call it start. So that's like the start, right, of the mission, for example. Right? We can say start there, and we can do our if statement if, let's say, the choice, right, is not equal to yes, right? Because you need to be the hero of the story to actually go forward, right? We can tell the computer to basically tell the user, you know, wrong answer, wrong answer, right? Try, try again. Right? And instead of having the code run going forward, you can actually say, hey, go back to this label, start. Right? So to ask the user, hey, are you the hero? They'll accept the input. It'll say yes, as in white, right? It will printf say wrong answer, try again. And it will go back to where the start label is. Right? And again, of course, ask if they're the hero, accept their um, answer and so on. Right? And then, that will keep them in the loop over and over and over until they actually say yes. So you say, welcome, right? Welcome to the game or something. So running this, right? Are you the hero? I could say no, wrong answer, try again, right? If I press W, this will keep on going over and over and over, right? Until I actually press Y for yes. And then it finally says welcome, right? So it will keep us in that loop, right? Going, starting here, asking, accepting answer, doing a printf statement if it's the wrong answer, and it'll go back to this label there. Right? Literally the go-to statement.